eliminating a lifetime of snoring in just 5 minutes. A local plastic surgeon says he's got the cure and requires no surgery and no downtime. Karen Grace shows us the snore cure.
Snoring keeping your partner from a good night's rest?
I've snored for years.
Tired of sounding like you're sawing logs in your sleep? That was the case for 60-year-old Dr. Raymond Brewer.
It has been progressively probably getting worse and worse. My obstructive sleep apnea was getting bad. I was waking up with headaches. And that's when I knew I had to do something about it.
His options: over-the-counter nasal strips, topical medications, and traditional surgery.
Did not want to go down that route because I know how painful that was.
But instead, he went to a cosmetic surgeon for what he says was a painless, non-invasive 5-minute laser treatment.
So the name of the machine is Fotana, and it helps to cure snoring. It's a typical laser. When you touch the tissue with it, it tends to shrink the tissue.
Dr. Thomas Jeneby demonstrated how it works on himself. He says it has done wonders to cure his own snoring by shrinking the soft tissue that obstructs his sleep.
So I used to snore real bad. I got 3 sessions. I'm like almost nothing.
He says it can take a series of treatments, but it's less invasive than surgery and with no downtime.
Without cutting. So it's a minimal downtime.
To go from hissing, wheezing, and whistling to quiet, sound snoozing.
You're out of the office literally within about 5 minutes.
Brewer says he didn't experience any negative side effects. Dr. Jeneby says sometimes patients can experience a sore throat for half a day. Prices start at $599. Karen Grace, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.